Let's get started on transforming your walls with PVC panels. Number 1. Ensure your wall surface is clean and free of dust, dirt, and any existing wallpaper or paint that might cause uneven adhesion. Number 2. Apply a PVC wall panel adhesive to the back of the panel. Number 3. Once positioned, firmly press the panel against the wall to ensure good contact with the adhesive. Our PVC panels are easy to cut for a perfect fit around outlets, requiring only scissors or a utility knife. You've successfully installed your PVC wall panels. Now, sit back and enjoy your beautiful, easy-to-maintain new walls. From modern offices to cozy living rooms, our PVC panels transform any space.